Your home or business deserves more than just light. It deserves a statement. Introducing X-Series Genesis, the most advanced, elegant, and HOA-friendly roofline lighting system on the market. Surprisingly affordable yet built to impress, X-Series Genesis delivers premium performance without the premium price tag. Fully programmable and endlessly versatile, X-Series Genesis transforms your roofline into a canvas of light, perfect for holidays, special occasions, or everyday ambiance. Whether it's a soft, warm glow or a bold, vibrant display, your home can reflect your mood, your moment, or your message. Thanks to its advanced design and cutting-edge LED technology, X-Series Genesis delivers crisp, clean colors that stay vivid and sharp, never washed out or blended. Say goodbye to the cluttered, bulky look of traditional lighting. With sleek, low-profile hardware, this system preserves the clean elegance of your home's architecture. HOA concerns? Not a problem. X-Series Genesis is designed to be discreet, low-profile, and suitable for year-round use, making it a smart choice for HOA-regulated neighborhoods. More color, more control, more class. All with less clutter, less hassle, and less compromise. Elegance redefined. Versatility unleashed. Your roofline has never looked this good. X-Series Genesis. Do more with less.